Immediately after Nikon released the Z30, rumors started flying around about a rival vlogging camera from Canon. Nikon announced the Nikon Z30 Z-mount camera targeting vloggers and people that want a small camera body. Canon will be releasing a similar camera sometime this year, reported. Opens in new tab, Canon rumors. Touted as, opens in new tab, the Canon EOS R100, it sounds as if Canon is getting ready to release an RF-mount APS-C camera with a similar form factor as the Canon EOS M6 Mark II, opens in new tab, but with the vlogging market in mind. This makes sense, as the M6 Mark II already seems to be discontinued, opens in new tab, in a number of territories as Canon adjusts its strategy with the EOS M line. If there was a replacement for the M6 Mark II, it would likely enable Canon to create a more popular product that arguably never found an audience with the FM mount. It would also introduce a specifically vlogging-oriented body, which is very much lacking to the EOS R ecosystem.